coming back and checking out another lock picking video. I'm going to have a crack with a out the packet pick with an oval that was sent to me by Derek, LockKeys Locksmith services. So it's all still sealed up, and he sent this to me some time ago, but I've just getting around to picking, and so many locks to try and get through and practice on. And so I'm not even sure what make it actually is, but we'll have a look when we get in there. And if I can get that open, I'm going to pause it, and then I'm going to open up a parcel that was sent to me today. I don't think it's got locks. I think it's well, I'll let you see what it is once I've got this open. But there's my blade. So it's a V5, lovely looking oval, obviously brand spanking new. There's the key, working absolutely lovely. And we'll get it in the vise and we'll see how we get on with it. But Derek from LockKeys Locksmith Services, you can see we've got his business card there. So he's a working family run locksmith up in Warrington way. And let's see how we get on. So I'm going to get the front turn out of the way just so I can put it a bit deeper in the vise. I wondered why the vise weren't sitting, was wobbly. Screw was underneath it. So I'm not sure. The tension tool looks like it might be alright. And I'm going to start off with, let's see. I'll start off with me pick from Matt. It's not working very well. Try something a bit different. And I think I'm going to maybe try a little bit of a thinner tension tool as well. It's not going quite to plan, is it? There we go, little fucker. Just about 10 minutes though, so that's okay. And yeah, we got there in the end. But a big thank you to Derek for sending me this beautiful brand new lock. It really is really nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it. I'm going to open up the parcel from John and or Lockpicka69, as some of you know him by. And yeah, and I'll show you what's in there. So I've got to say a massive thanks to John or Lockpicka69. He sent me a couple of stickers in the parcel. But he sent me this lovely canvas pick roll, army colours, khaki green or whatever you'd call it. And also, not just that, but a brand new Sparrows lockpick case as well. Let me open that up. And you can still see it's got the silica gel in and everything. And I think, yeah, I can't thank him enough. I really do appreciate that, John. And obviously, you know, I got my test tube custom pick holder yesterday, and I did message you and I did say, look, if you haven't posted it, you don't have to. I have got a pick holder, because I was going on about how many picks I had and not complaining, but I was running out of space in my existing pick roll. So I got the test tube holder, but John was on his way to the post office to post these, and he said, "Oh, still post them." And yeah, I can't thank you enough, mate. I will use these. I'm sure, you know, I'll put it to one side over the coming months and years as I go on. I'm bound to get more picks along the way, and the ones in my test tube holder, if I show you and spin it around now. So all the picks in there, that's not actually all my picks, they are all the custom picks, and there's a few Peterson gems in there, but I have got more picks than that, so yeah, I'll be able to take them all out of their individual little boxes and cases, and I'll get them all set up in here. And this one will be good for when I'm out and about on the go perhaps. So yeah, thanks a lot, John, and I really do appreciate that. And don't forget to check out Lockpicka69 on YouTube, and don't forget to check out LockKeys Locksmith Services, Derek. He is on Instagram, So if you put in LockKeys, Locksmith, you'll find him. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.